Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how to replace the high beam headlight. So this headlight has been removed from the vehicle just for the ease of showing you what you can do. You don't need to remove it to be able to do it. There is enough space to reach down here. It is tight, but this housing has been removed. This is your high beam headlight, and we want access to our high beam headlight. So you're going to down here, and this is what you're looking at from the back, and we're looking for this cap, and we're going to twist this cap off, and that comes off. And then this light element, we're going to twist this also quarter turn to the left, and then we'll be able to pull the whole unit out. And then we're going to work our way by moving this back and forth and be able to get the light bulb out itself. For the high beam headlight, this is your standard H7, and so you would get a new H7 to be able to replace this. And so then you would take the H7, and again we do our best not to touch the filament itself, and you can see we have this tab here that we want to line that little tab up with. That in, just turn a quarter turn to the right, and we've got that installed. And now take our cover, put back on there, just line up the tabs, and twist it to the right to lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your high beam headlight on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.